I'm going to go over how to create a perpendicular bisector for a line segment. So remember, perpendicular means we cross at a 90-degree angle, and bisectors cut your line segment in half. So essentially what we're trying to do is we're trying to find where is the middle of this line, and then this line segment, and then I want to draw a line that crosses at that point at a 90-degree angle. So we're going to do it with either a compass or with a compass and a straight edge. So whether it's a compass that looks like this or a compass that looks like this, or even as basic as having a piece of string that we pull and rotate around. So somehow we want to be able to make circles. So I'm going to be using this compass. So what we want to do is you are going to take your compass, and I'm going to stick the center. I want to have the center of my circle be at the end of this. So whether we stick the center, we stick the end of my line in the middle here, or if we're using this compass, stick the point at the end of the circle. I then want to adjust my compass so that way when we draw my arcs or my circles, it goes more than halfway. It doesn't have to go all the way across, but I want to just make sure that I'm going more than, so estimate about where you think the middle is and make sure that we go past that middle. So right here, this looks like it's more than halfway. Go about right there. And I'm going to draw, so we go below and above. So now without adjusting the size of this compass, I am going to stick, once again, the center of my circle needs to be at the end of this line segment. So whether we stick the middle of my compass, this part right there at the end, or using this compass, stick the pointy part at the end. I'm going to do the exact same thing, but from this side. So I'm going to keep that right there, hold it there, and draw arcs. The biggest thing is we want to make sure they cross. So if you don't want to draw the whole thing, you just want to make sure, if you just want to draw on the top and the bottom, that's fine, just as long as we have a point where they cross. I'm going to go ahead and mark this point right here and this point right here. And then all we have to do is connect the dots. So I'm going to draw a line that goes through those 2 points. And now if we measure this, so the whole thing all the way across looks like it is 8 centimeters. I can see that this line crosses through at 4 centimeters. So this side is 4 centimeters. This side right here is 4 centimeters, which means this point right here is the midpoint. So this is a way that we can construct a midpoint. And then if I measure this angle, so using a protractor, I can, so line that up, I can see that this is a 90-degree angle.